Welcome to Compare to Win. The best golf tires and wheels is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components for any golfer looking to enhance their performance and comfort on the course, as the right set can significantly impact your stride, stability, and overall enjoyment during those long rounds, ensuring you can navigate any terrain with confidence and ease. Number 5. Antego 18x8.50-8 Golf Cart Tire and Wheel Assemblies, Set of 4. Introducing the Antego 18x8.50-8 Golf Cart Tire and Wheel Assemblies. This set of 4 is designed to enhance your golf cart experience. Experience superior traction and stability with these tires. They are designed to improve your golf cart's handling on various terrains for a smoother ride. These tires fit all standard golf cart brands, including EZGO, Yamaha, and Club Car. They are the perfect choice for any golf enthusiast. Built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, their robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. Enjoy peace of mind on the course. Enjoy a cushioned ride as these specially designed tires absorb shocks and bumps. Focus on your game without distractions from an uncomfortable trip. Installation is a breeze with user-friendly features and a precise fit. Get back on the course quickly and hassle-free. Your investment is protected with a 90-day return policy and a 1-year limited warranty. Enjoy your purchase with confidence. What we like. Experience unmatched performance and a smoother ride with these tires. They are built to withstand the elements and offer superior traction on various terrains. If you're looking for a reliable upgrade that fits all standard golf cart brands and provides long-lasting comfort, this is the set for you. What people say. The tires have excellent grip on wet surfaces, providing great stability during turns. The wheels are lightweight, which noticeably improve the car's acceleration and handling. Durable construction ensures these tires can withstand rough terrain without issue. Number 4. MASSFX 18x8.50-8 Turf Tire with Rim, 2-pack. Introducing the MASSFX 18x8.50-8 Turf Tire. Designed for your golf cart, it offers exceptional grip and easy cleaning. This tire isn't just for golf carts. It's perfect for go-karts, mini ATVs, and lawn equipment, making it incredibly versatile. Experience durability you can trust. Whether for casual rides, track days, or yard work, these tires are built to handle it all. Count on consistent performance in various conditions. Its robust construction ensures reliability wherever you go. The unique MODZ tread design provides superior traction and stability. Navigate sharp turns and high speeds with confidence. Engineered to withstand daily wear and tear, these tires offer long-lasting quality. Spend less time replacing and more time enjoying. What we like. Get ready for excellent traction and easy cleaning with this set. The rectangular tread design ensures a firm grip on multiple surfaces, making them suitable for various tasks. If you need a tough, reliable tire for go-karts, mini ATVs, or lawn equipment that offers consistent performance, consider these. What people say. The tires provide excellent grip on wet and dry surfaces, enhancing stability during turns. The wheels are lightweight, which contributes to better fuel efficiency and easier handling of the vehicle. Installation was straightforward, and the tires balanced perfectly, resulting in a smooth ride without vibrations. Number 3. MODZ Vortex Bronze 14 Golf Cart Wheels and Arisun X-Trail Tires Combo. Introducing the MODZ Vortex Bronze 14-inch Golf Cart Wheels. These industry-leading wheels offer a stylish and durable upgrade for your cart. Paired with the Arisun X-Trail tires, you get exceptional all-terrain performance. These DOT-approved tires are street-legal and ready for any adventure. Our expert team professionally mounts and inspects every wheel and tire combo. They are ready to go straight from our facility to your door. The aggressive tread design handles dry, wet, and loose terrain with ease. You can rely on their versatile capabilities wherever you go. Featuring a long-wearing rubber compound, these tires are built for a long and durable lifespan. Enjoy reliable performance mile after mile. This combo includes 16 black lug nuts and 4 center caps for a complete setup. Everything you need to enhance your golf cart is right here. Please note that a 6-inch or higher lift kit is required for installation. This combo will not fit on non-lifted carts. What we like. Elevate your golf cart's look and performance with this stylish combo. The DOT-approved all-terrain tires offer street-legal versatility and handle various conditions with ease. If you have a lifted cart, 6 foot or higher, and desire a premium, aggressive look with top-class tire performance, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The tires have excellent grip on the fairway. The wheels are lightweight and easy to maneuver. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Number 2. Vampire Machine Black Golf Cart Wheels and All-Terrain Tires. Upgrade your ride with this complete set of 4 Vampire machined and black aluminum wheels. They come paired with 20x10-12 DOT all-terrain tires, perfect for any adventure. Enjoy a hassle-free installation as this combo requires no lift kit for most golf carts. The tires measure 20 inches tall, providing a great stance without modifications. Tackle any terrain with the DOT-approved all-terrain tread. These tires offer excellent performance whether you're on the road or venturing off the beaten path. Your new wheels and tires arrive mounted and aired up to the correct pressure. They are ready to be installed right out of the box. Designed for versatility, they fit any golf cart, ATV, UTV, or trailer hub with a 4-bolt, 4x4 pattern. This includes everything you need: tires, wheels, center caps, and lug nuts. What we like. Upgrade your golf cart without the hassle of a lift kit. These wheels and tires offer a great all-terrain tread suitable for both on- and off-road use. If you're looking for a convenient, stylish upgrade that fits most carts without modifications and provides versatile performance, this combo is ideal. What people say. The tires are designed for excellent grip on various terrains, ensuring stability during turns. The wheels are lightweight, which contributes to improved fuel efficiency and handling. Features a durable construction that withstands rough use and extends product lifespan. Number 1. 10 black steel golf cart wheels and 20x10-10 DOT all-terrain tires, set of 4. Introducing a set of 4 brand new 10-inch black steel wheels paired with 20x10-10 all-terrain tires. This combo measures 20 inches tall, ready to elevate your golf cart's performance. Featuring a DOT-approved all-terrain tread, these tires are designed for both on-road and off-road adventures. Conquer any path with confidence and versatility. They come fully mounted and aired up to the correct pressure. Simply install them onto any golf cart, UTV, or trailer hub with a 4-bolt, 4x4 pattern. While club car golf carts require a lift kit for these, EasyGO and Yamaha models can fit them with no lift needed. Enjoy a smooth ride on stock suspension. This package includes 4 20x10-10 all-terrain tires and 4 10x7 black steel wheels. Everything you need for a complete upgrade is right here. What we like. Enjoy the versatility of DOT all-terrain tires with a clean, classic look. This set is designed to fit most golf carts without a lift kit, offering a great balance of on-road and off-road capability. If you own an EasyGO, TXT, RXV, or Yamaha Drive, and want a durable, road-ready tire and will package without needing a lift, this is a solid option. What people say. The tires have excellent grip on wet and dry surfaces, providing great stability during turns. The wheels are lightweight, which contributes to better acceleration and fuel efficiency. Installation was straightforward, and the tires balanced perfectly without needing much weight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.